Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have to film this intro really quickly, but basically today I'm going to be dyeing my hair again. My hair's been brown for a little while now. I love it, but I kind of wanted to try something new and I have commitment issues, so I figured why not get the rose gold for brown hair Overtone kit and see how it looks. I don't plan on doing my whole head, just want to do like my ends, kind of like an ombre type of effect. Knowing me, that won't end well, but I'm gonna try it anyways. The kit itself was about $57 US, but whatever. So yeah, I'm going to be dyeing my hair rose gold and you guys are gonna come along with me. I'm very nervous. I have never dyed my hair a bright color, or I haven't recently. Like, I did it when I was like 14, I think was the last time, so 5 years ago, and it was like the underneath part of my hair, so you couldn't even really see it. So we're gonna try it, and we might end up on Brad Mundo's channel, or this video could do really well on my channel, so we'll see what happens. This is what I'm anticipating. The odds aren't in my favor, but we're still gonna try, we're still gonna attempt, and hopefully it goes well. So without further ado, let's do this. Okay friends, so welcome to my bathroom. This angle is significantly better than what I usually have because I'm at my parents' house still. But first things first, I'm going to brush my hair. You guys can tell that it's like, some parts of it are going back blonde. It looks really red. I don't think it's this red in person. I hope it's not that red in person. Yes, I wanted to take out as many of the tangles as possible so that when I apply the coloring conditioner, it just goes on a lot nicer. So what I have with me is the Overtone Rose Gold for brown hair. This is what the container looks like. So this is what the container looks like. It's exactly the same as the brown one. And then we've also got a large size of the daily conditioner. I guess this is a travel size and I just didn't read the packaging before I brought it to my parents' house. But you also get a cute little mini size. So that's really fun and fresh. As per usual, I'm gonna clip my hair. My clip broke because I threw it in the bottom of my bag when I went away for the weekend, and by the time I got to Ottawa, my clip was broken. So, all right, so let's crack this bad boy open. Oh wow, this is so bright. Tea. I didn't look. This has been sitting in my house for so long. I should have looked at it before, but whoa. It's like a very bright pink, which I guess makes sense because it's going on brown hair and it's made for brown hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this by sections. I'm gonna speed up this so I can watch something. I am beyond screwed. All right, I think that is good. I'm gonna put this up into my clip as per usual. And I'm gonna do stuff now. And we'll see how this looks in about 20 minutes. So this mess has been seeping in my hair for 20 minutes. Let's go rinse it out and see what happens. So I didn't film myself drying and styling. It looks really bright on camera. It looks really red on camera, but this is it right now. I'm gonna check in the morning when the lighting's a little bit better, but I kind of like it. Like, it's ombre kinda. It's nice. It shows up on my hair, which is crazy. So yes. Hello. Hi. This is my dog. Hello. So I'm currently in editing mode. This video is really short and I'm really sorry about that. I also didn't film an outro, and I'm also really sorry this video is so late. It's the end of the semester's ending, and things have just been hectic. I really do appreciate all the support that I've been getting on Instagram and on YouTube from you guys. I like really appreciate it that you guys checked on me. Love that. I thought I'd also give a hair update. I just washed it. I've been using the conditioner and it's still pretty vibrant. It's actually not as red as it was the first day that I dyed it. So the more you wash it and the more you use the conditioner, the more pink it becomes. The red is just because that was basically only the dye, and the dye is super pigmented. The dye dyes my hands, but the conditioner doesn't. It doesn't even leave like a mark on my hands, and I just like wash my hands. I also find that it doesn't transfer on white clothes. A problem that I had with the espresso brown was that it would transfer on my clothes right after I would dye it. I didn't have that problem with the pink. I was really ballsy and I wore a white turtleneck the next day, and it's perfectly fine. Like, it's perfectly clean. There's no marks on it, whereas I do have a few unfortunate white t-shirts that had to go through a rigorous cycle of stain removing. But yeah, I really like the color. I don't think it's a permanent thing for me. Like, I don't think pink is gonna be forever, but I really like the color distribution. My hair is wet right now, so you can't really see it all, but it just works for me. I think it looks really good, and it doesn't make my hair feel damaged, which is awesome. Same with like the other Overtone products that I've used. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe below. I have run out of Overtone products. I think I've exceeded my limit of Overtone products for now, so unless they come out with something new, I think this will be the last one for a bit. If you guys have any other products you want me to try, let me know. I really don't care about my hair that much anymore. Well, I do, but like I don't. Like, I know that worst case I can cut it off and it'll grow back and it'll be fine. That'll be my last Overtone video for a bit, so enjoy this one. Cherish it. Love it. Whatever. I think my next hair related video will be me cutting off my hair, because I think it's almost time for me to say goodbye to my longer hair and go short again. But anyways, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week.